Tim and I have talked about taking out this shower, and everybody needs an extra bathroom, but they don't always need two showers. So we're going to take his shower and turn it into a cabinet for, shelves and whatnot. I'm kind of bored right now, so I'm going to take these down, and I'm thinking about putting one of them in the other bathroom. We bought a shower curtain the other day and it was too long, so I'm thinking about putting it in the other bathroom to raise up the shower curtain. Okay, you see, and that didn't take very long. It took about a whole 10 minutes. Now if you notice, what I did was I left the other bar up. Okay, now what you usually do is you put the fancy curtain usually goes on the top rod, and your plastic goes on the bottom. But we don't have that fancy curtain right now, and this, we'll just face it, it helps it stay better. See, there's magnets on the bottom of this curtain, so the magnets help you keep the curtain shut, and this fits better. So this is it for right now. Have a really good day, and I hope you enjoy this video. Hey everybody, I hope you enjoyed my video. Do me a favor and subscribe. Give me a like. And let me know what you think. I promise, I'm just new at this. I will get better.